Hi guys, this is Ayush again, and today we'll be seeing how the manage feature works in GradeSense. So essentially, the manage feature helps in making any changes or edits that the teacher might want to make in case they've made any mistake. Right? It gives them full functionality towards it. So let's go with manage exams. So we had created maths exam class 7, right? Over here, you have a backend as to the whole exam, right? Let's say we misspell the exam's name or the total marks or the date on which it happened. You just click on edit, you get an option to change the name, change the marks, change the grading style that we used, change what type of exam it is, and what the exam date was, right? You can save the change or cancel the changes that you want to make. In case you want to edit any questions, click on edit and you'll get the option to edit the questions, right? Let's say the model wasn't able to extract the questions, click on extract and it'll extract it all again. Let's say we uploaded the wrong model answer paper or a wrong question paper, right? Here you get the option to replace it, and once when you click regrade all, it regrades all the papers again. Let's say we missed out on uploading a new student's paper, right? Clicking on upload more papers give you the option to upload more additional papers over here. And finally, if the exam is done, you can close the exam, right? Here you again have the option to unpublish the exam. Let's say it's not at the state where you want to show the students and by mistakenly you clicked on publish, you always have the options to take it back, right? This is how the manage exam function works, and in case you made a wrong exam, you can always delete it as well, right? Next is manage batches. So over here you'll get a snapshot of what your batch looks like. So how many students are there, how many exams they've given. In case you want to add a new student, you click on add a new student, it adds the new student. You want to add a new exam, you can add a new exam. Let's say the batch is closed and the class has essentially graduated, you always have the option to even archive the batch. And again, in manage students, you get the option to see who all are the students present in the exams. So like right now it's only 2, so only these 2 students have been present over here. If you click on them, you also get a snapshot view of how they have been performing, what subjects they've been performing, where they need any improvement, any recommendation that the AI has for one. And essentially another thing, and a very key feature to add over here is over here you can edit the details of the student. So let's say their name, and over here the email ID. Once you change the email ID present over here, this email ID is what the student will be using to sign in to their dashboard, and over there they'll get access to all the feedbacks and all the papers that have been evaluated by the teacher, right? So you'll have an individual student ID. Let's say that will be their roll number or whatever that might be, what batches they are part of. You select over here and you save those changes, right? And yeah, essentially these are all the backend features that the teachers will have access to in case they want to make any changes present in the GradeSense app.